We are back again. We got level cards here. Going to do a box of 2013 Leaf Best of Baseball. All right, I've been hitting some monster cards today. Let's keep it going here. Good luck. All right, numbered 5 of 5. Addison Russell. Nice parallel. And a 2001 Fleer Authority, Albert Pujols, BGS 9-5 rookie. Very nice. Subgrades on that, 9 5s on centering and edges, 10 on the surface, and 9 on the corners. And that one is 438 of 2001. All right, buddy. Appreciate it. Enjoy the holiday, and we'll get this right out to you. Later.